Hello food lovers, I'm Adnana and today I will show you how to make a perfect and delicious old-fashioned dessert, bread pudding with caramelized pears. Start by peeling 2 pears, cut them and remove the seeds. In a large fried pan, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Add the pears and cook them until golden brown for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons granulated sugar on top and stir the pears again. Cook them for about 5 minutes until they begin to caramelize, stirring occasionally. Once done, spread them in the prepared baking dish. Now it's time to take care of the bread. In case you want to know how I did this super quick no-knead bread, click on the top right corner to find the recipe. Cut 4 slices of bread and cut again each slice in half. Soak one side of each of the bread slices in the remaining butter. Arrange the bread over the pears, buttered side down in overlapping rows. In a medium bowl, combine 2 eggs with 250 milliliters milk, 50 grams of granulated sugar, half teaspoon cinnamon and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and whisk them until well combined. Pour over the bread. Let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes until the bread has soaked up. Bake it at 165 degrees Celsius for about 35 minutes until a knife inserted in the center of the bread pudding comes out clean. Remove from the oven and let it rest for 3 minutes. Sprinkle Confectioners Sugar on top and serve warm. If my recipes inspire you, don't forget to hit the like button, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. I post a new recipe every week. Till next time, bon appetit!